Oh, welcome. And this will be like part 2 of setting up this machine. What we've done was to, of course, loosen up a little bit. The column in the back that controls the up and down. To me, mine was very stiff, so I took care of that. And after that, we leveled the brackets where the table goes. We were able to do that. We installed the table. We also leveled the back of the front of the table near the fence, and we also did the front. So this is nice and level. And where we left off was the travel of the carriage. Look at that. That was the last thing we did. Let's see. Okay. We want to, of course, put it at 0 and engage the lock, and then we'll put a square, and you can see that, I guess. And this goes right up and down the square. Okay, I got a blade. Let me get this out of here. We'll leave this for now. We got the travel done right, and we're going to do 2 more settings on this video for cross cutting. And let me bring this up. I think it's high enough. Okay, maybe not. So I can put the blade on. Maybe you can see here what we were doing before. That bracket. Let me bring you over. So you can see the bracket now over here. Anyway, see this bracket right here is welded onto the rod there. So what you want to do is set these to make it tight, snug I should say. You don't want to tighten it, because then you won't be able to bring the arm up or down, because it'll get very tight. So it's got to be very snugged. And it takes quite a long time to go back and forth just to kind of get it right. So let me put this blade on. Can't believe my battery is yellow already. Is that something? Oh, you can see that. Before we do that, of course, Come on. Get in there. Okay. Now, what I should have done was just to show you, get an idea of what we're doing here. Man, I tell you. Now we got the travel correct. You bring you over this side a little bit, because I'm going to have to change the battery again. What we're trying to do with the next two settings we're going to have to do here. And one of them is we get the travel correct, but we need to set the blade, because the blade could be cockeyed this way. So if it's that way, and here is coming at you, you know, you don't want that. Also, the blade could be this way, cockeyed this way, and it's coming at you. So without doing those two, to bring this square, this one square, so it's like here and here. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to calibrate this, and we're going to calibrate this. And that's what we're doing next. Kind of I don't know, an explanation, I guess. Here's this battery here. I'll have to come right back again. Okay, it looks like I'm grabbing the wrong batteries here. This one is full. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to calibrate the blade to the table. By doing that, the only thing we need is this square. And let's see how it looks over here. And it looks horrible. Look how off I am. Way off. And the way to fix that in this machine is over here. There's four screws here. I'll have to loosen these up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this will just rotate a little bit. So let me put you down. Let me see if I can do this. Put you in the best spot here. I guess. I don't know. Maybe you can see that. I don't know. Let me loosen these up. Okay. Let's see if I can do this here. So I'm way off. Now, I can bring this right there. I can hold it right there. Tighten this up. Right there. Oop. That's when you wish you had someone else. Right there looks good. Right there. If I can hold it right there. Okay, looks like we got it. Let me tighten it up. goes there, guys. I'm just not good with my left at all. Okay. And the last one. And I think we got it. Okay. Okay. Looks like that blade is actually vertically to the table. Beautiful. Bring this up a little. I wanted to bring this to a 45 right there. And now bring it up to a 90 there and give it a measurement. Beauty. I love it. Okay, we got that one. The next one will be we need to square this blade to the fence. We're going to need the fence down. Put the fence down. Hook this guy up. We'll do this one more for today. Things to do. Okay. Nice and tight. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to square this blade to the fence. Something like this. And I'm off. You can see is off. So there's got to be adjusted. And the way to do that is I gotta go underneath here. There's 4 screws up here, and that would allow me to move it like this so we can square that up. Let me take a break and we do that last adjustment for today. Okay guys, I kind of went ahead a little, I'll bore you with this, but to do that, let me show you where I'm at. Here's the motor, and then right where it swivels up on top, I got one of them, which is loose. It's got 4 holes, 4 screws. There's 1, 2 is there, the other one, it goes through this hole here. There it goes. I got that one loose, and the other one is right here. So all 4 of them are loose. Okay, let's see if we can get this now. And there he goes. Now it's moving. And it looks like we got it. It's right against the fence. And right against the blade, right there. I think I like it right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's hitting there, it's hitting over here. So now that guy is square to the fence, and then that's going to be it for the crosscut. And that's all. If you guys that love to just crosscut, you need to just at least do these up to here. You're going to be fine. You're going to wind up with a straight everything, straight cut. Because remember, there's a couple 90s when you cut this. When you cut this, there's actually two 90s. You have the 90 here, and you have the 90 over here. There's two 90s when you cut a piece of board. So you need to have the 90s here, this way, and of course, this way. There's a couple 90s. And this, the way, because you rotate this thing here 3 different ways, it's like 3 axes. Like a 3D. So let me tighten it up. I like it the way it is right now. The battery I got there is almost yellow. So I'll bring you over here so you can see me tighten this stupid thing. Let's see. Straight off with this one. Okay, this is my last battery. Nothing but problems with batteries today. What we've done for today, did the last two, not the last two, but 2 more of the calibrations, and that is for cross-cutting. What we did was we made it 90 degrees to the table by adjusting back here these 4 bolts that we loosened up. We kind of moved it like this a little bit, like a bevel type, and then we squared the blade to the fence. That's what we just did. And that was done up here on top. There's 2 bolts that swivels this arm while you're still locked in and to your 0 miter. So you just kind of move it around until you get it perfectly. So right now we have, if we actually wanted to cross cut right now, it's set up for that. You'll get a perfect cut. It is the right height, the blade from the back to the front. We know that. It is, let me get another blade here. It travels it's traveling the right height all the way, and it's not only that, but it is not cockeyed that way or this way. It's perfect. So we got it aligned 3 ways, and of course the table, the fence, and we're ready to cross cutting. It's tuned up for cross cutting right now. So if you want to put a dado on it, you're going to be making beautiful dados because it's set up for cross cutting. You know, if you want to just cut a board, it will make a perfect 2 90s. You got to remember that you're making 2 90s when you cut. You got this 90 here at the bottom from the table, and then the fence. So there's 2 90s. We just worked on one of the rotations of this beautiful machine. The next one will be for ripping. So we need to now turn this. This is like a 3-dimension type of thing, because now for ripping we have to turn the yoke, the head around, and we're going to do 1 calibration for that, and that is from the table to the blade on the ripping mode. And then the last one will be with the blade down like this, and then we're going to do one last calibration. We're going to make this blade parallel to the table, and that will be it. And so we got 2 more to do. That will be for the next video because I had enough. It's really tough because this is not my workshop here. This is like a storage type of thing. I have no room. Got lights all over the place for this video. And I have a battery problem. They just don't last long on me. And I'm always thinking that, I know I kind of talk a lot, but that I'm going to be talking to myself because the video is going to shut off on me. Let me see how am I doing. This battery is good. I don't know what I did with the batteries. I thought I charged them last night. But anyway, what else we have to say here? Not much for this video, except that we're making progress. And thanks for watching.